Okay, so we've done writing the equations when they give you the slope, but sometimes they do not give you the slope. They're just giving you 2 points, and you have to figure out all the things. So we're going to be calculating the slope first. So that means we're going to be using y2 minus y1, this formula, over x2 minus x1. We have to do that before we can write the equation. So it says, what is the equation of the line that passes through the points -2, 3 and -4, 1? So I'm going to label these x1, y1, x2, y2, just like we do for slope. And then I'm plugging them into this formula. So that's going to be, here's my fraction, it's going to be y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is 3. And then on the bottom is x2, which is -4, minus x1, which is -2. So we would type that in the calculator. Definitely don't do it in your head. 1 minus 3 over -4 minus -2. And you get +1 as your slope. This is my slope, so I'm going to label it M. So now we're ready for the equation. That means we're using point slope form. So aka y minus blank equals blank x minus blank. And we draw the line. So this is my y1, this is slope, this is x1. Okay. So what did I say was y1? Now I did already label something, x1 and y1, even though I have 2 points. You could use either one, but since I already labeled this x1 and y1, let's just use this. So I said y1 was 3. My m, my slope, is what I just found out over here. That's what I had to figure out first, is 1. And then my x1 was -2. And I gotta solve for y, because, you know, we like things in slope intercept. So I need to go through, I need to change any double negatives. I need to change into a plus sign. So I look here, do I need to change this? Nope, that's good. Because that's just minus, not minus minus. Over here I have minus minus, that's gotta change. So now that's a plus sign. So now I'm gonna rewrite everything. Y minus 3 equals 1 parentheses x plus 2 close parentheses. Now we're going to solve for y. So first thing, I got to get rid of these parentheses just like we've been doing. So times 1 times 1. So 1 times 1 is 1x. 1 times +2 is +2. Bring this side down. Equal sign. And then I need y alone. So I need to move the 3. I need to do the opposite. So +3 plus 3. I'm doing it with my regular number, not the x. I drop down that 1x. And I have +2 plus 3 is +5. And this is my answer. So the only new step was that I had to find the slope first. So I had to do an extra process before I could do all of this. Okay. Go ahead and start today's practice.